Will's bicycle. Cycle but bicycle. Bicycle, cycle. Will's Z sound. Will's Z sound. Zoo, zero. Will's bicycle. Will's bicycle has a flat tire. Flat tire. Little bit tired. He cannot ride it. Ride it. He has to repair a puncture. Puncture. He does not need to pay the man the bicycle shop to mend it. He can repair it himself. He has taken out the inner tube. He has tested, ticket, bracket, cricket, tested, I sound, E sound. He has tested it and has found the puncture. The test is easy. The test is easy. You get a bucket of water. Ticket, bucket, tested, learn it. Bucket of water. You blow up, go, so, no. You blow up the inner tube with a bicycle pump and put the tube into the water bit by bit. You move the tube round till you see a stream of air bubble. A stream of air bubble coming up through 1, 2, 3 bathroom, through the water. You mark the place where the air is coming out with a special pencil. British Council pencil. A pencil, two pencils, Z sound. Will has one of these pencils. His father has given father, mother, brother, sister. Father has given him a repair outfit. The pencil is in the outfit. He has marked the place, gate, name, say, place where the puncture is. When, where, which, when the inner tube is dry, he is going to stick a rubber patch on the puncture. He is going to stick it on with rubber solution. British people say with, American people say with rubber solution. There are some patches and a tube of rubber solution in the repair outfit. When Will has repaired his bicycle, he's going to ride it again.